Hey, welcome back to another episode of the show thing with that guy who does stuff. Me. Going to be pulling the diff out, gonna change the diff bushings in there. At the moment it's got an R180 limited slip diff in it, which is a plated limited slip diff, which is annoying in the sense that it will always put the power to least resistance wheels. So it's not going to really want to drift that well. So at the moment I'm looking into buying a Cusco 2-way, well it's a 1.5-way LSD, and what you do is you set it so that it's a 2-way LSD, so which is going to be fucking expensive, which is pretty annoying, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. Plus as well too, it's a direct fit, so I'll be able to pull out the internals of the diff and put the new one in, and yay. And if I ever want to put it back, I can just put the old center diff, the old rear diff back into it. Car was always all-wheel drive sort of thing. For today's episode, I'm going to be pulling the diff out, putting the new bushes in as well. I'm going to be painting up those spats. That'll be a week process. I'm not going to put the whole process into the video because it's a stuff around to do. And as well, I've got this box of these things. There's stuff in here, hopefully. There is some solid end links, Avo solid end links for the rear that are way more heavy duty than the little parent ones that I've got at the moment. They've lasted an awesome amount of time, but they're starting to rust and get real bad. And I got some Rally Armor mud flaps. So hopefully there's more than one in there. Oh yeah, there they are, there's all of them in there. Cool. Yeah, a bunch of mad Cheetos to eat at the end. Alright, it's day 2. I managed to get the diff out. I didn't really film it very well last night, it was really dark, so basically what I'm going to do is put this on the ground and clean the crap out of it. So let's do it. So we're just going to head over to Hock's mod shop at the moment. He's got a press. We're going to press out the new diff bushes into the diff mount so I can get the diff back into the car. And then I'm going to go back home and I'm going to pull the hubs out. I need to press new bearings into the hubs. They're flogged out. So I was hoping to get it all back together today, but yeah, I'm just gonna get them off and I'll take it to my mate's Subaru. I order some in. I'll probably order some new CV shafts in as well. And yeah, get them done. Just so I have some brand new ones and I've got some spare ones just in case. Let's go to Hock's.
Alright. Wow, I'm covered in crap. That's it for today's episode. I'm going to make sure that I order some rear wheel bearings. I I'll probably look at ordering a few more bushings that are in the rear end, just because there's a few, they're all flogged out. It's 150,000 Ks, so everything's pretty much stuffed. So yeah, I'm gonna hopefully get that done during the week or not. But yeah, next week I should be doing a little special, which isn't to do with Driftsti, hopefully. So yeah, we'll check that out. It's probably going to be a few weeks worth of stuff, so I'll get what I can done here and there, and yeah, I'll make a video that will probably air in like 2 or 3 weeks. But I'll make sure that there's content on the channel anyway for those that actually care. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Driftsti.